Amazing animals at the beach. Let's learn animal names. This is crab. Crab.
Crabs have a hard outer shell and walk sideways. They can live in oceans, rivers, and on land.
Crocodile. Hedgehog. This is sea turtle.
Sea turtles have a hard shell that protects their body. They can hold their breath underwater for hours.
Penguin. Giraffe. Zebra. Dog. Blue dog. Sea turtle.